Additional rebates available off the sale price of the Supreme Signature box truck with ready-to-roll Carrier Transit Refrigeration truck, complete installation package, Cab Command 9 in-cab, adjustable digital display center, programmable defrost automatic timer, white painted 16x7 steel wheels, limited slip axle 4.10 ratio, 5.4 LEFI Triton V8 FFV engine, automatic 5-speed transmission with ODing, oil cooler and tow haul, unique full LHRHB pillar trim, daylight interior rearview mirror, dual high-back bucket seating, inboard armrests, frame pouch isolators for 12. Body mounts, front license plate bracket, high series exterior upgrade package Inc., front chrome bumper grille and dual seal beam with fixed lens headlamps, Oxford white, power locks and windows Inc., drive to one touchdown window, vinyl floor covering, rear wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, steel wheels, intermittent wipers, AM/FM stereo, auxiliary audio input, bucket seats, vinyl seats, adjustable steering wheel, power outlet, AC, ABS, tire pressure monitor.